Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to share why cinnamon isn't just a spice for your latte, but a super spice with amazing health benefits. Let's dive right into it. Cinnamon, that delightful spice we all love, is actually made from the inner bark of trees known scientifically as cinnamomum. Interesting, right? When the inner woody parts are removed and dried, they curl into what we recognize as cinnamon sticks, which can also be ground into powder. Now here's where it gets exciting. Cinnamon has been a star in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. But why, you ask? Well, it's packed with powerful essential oils like cinnamaldehyde, which give it antibacterial properties. This means it can help fight against bacterial and fungal infections. Imagine a sprinkle of cinnamon not only adds flavor but also boosts your health. And there's more. Cinnamon is fantastic for oral health. It fights the bacteria that cause bad breath, cavities, and infections. So next time you enjoy a cinnamon-flavored treat, you're not just indulging in something tasty, you're also doing a favor for your smile. So, health enthusiasts, let's make cinnamon a regular guest in our kitchens, not just for its flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits. Remember, a little sprinkle of this super spice goes a long way. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy and keep spicing up your life.